Wow, it's so beautiful to sleep in white sheets. It's so beautiful to sleep comfortable. But by the way, most people wonder how we can make money while we're in bed, while we are sleeping. Time is 12:54, but I feel like not sleeping. I'm waiting for my payments, for the greener content, and for the days and for the day. When do you think we can change the narrative of using our smartphones for just fun? No, yes, we have changed the narrative. I'm proud to be among the people that I don't use smartphone for fun. I don't scroll. Oh, I'm tired. But I have to wait to see my pay slip for tonight. Okay, let's talk about it. How exactly do we earn money while we are sleeping? Because most of us, we have seen that thing of saying you can make money while you're in bed, you can make money when you're sleeping, you can make money at the comfort of your bed, at the comfort of your home. Yes, you can. What does it take for you to make this money? You have to have an idea. And those platforms that you scroll every night, those platforms that right now you're seated on, you're going live, do you have a vision? Do you have a focus? Yes, I received this comment when someone was like, I want to do this, just disperse the knowledge. Here is a magazine. This is the real knowledge that I'm giving you. I haven't asked money for this knowledge. It is my pleasure to give it to you freely. I know if you listen to Immaculate Show, if you go and follow us, you'll know how to make money with your smartphone. Most of you right now, you just put data, you put internet, and you start scrolling other people's photos, other people's phone profiles. What have they posted? What did they eat? Even some of you, for the sake of posting, you go and buy a new cloth. Wherever you go, when you go outside, when you buy KFC, McDonald's, just take photo to post. Yes, it's okay to post, but post with a purpose. If you post with a purpose, with a vision, you'll make money out of it. Now, ask me, how do you make money out of it? It is simple. It is simple. All these social media platforms pay. As I'm sleeping, they are paying me. That's why it's 12:57 as I record this video. It is going to be posted and edited, waiting for my payslip. Is there any business that can pay you like this one at the comfort of your home? You sleep in white sheets like mine? I wonder some influencers, some people with the numbers, you don't use them, you sleep in sheets that are multicolored. You beg for data, you load data, and at the end of the day, you cannot be paid freely. You cannot be paid by Google itself. I'm paid by Google. Yes, you can be paid by Google too. If you want to know how to be paid by Google too, please put it in the comment section. Good night.